I'm Pranav and here to present our course recommendation system, CourseUF. So the basic motivation behind developing this dialog system is the whole process of selection and filtration of the courses in one UF is pretty tedious. You have to fill out different departments. You have to fill out the parameters manually. So most users prefer to speak to the system and give oral commands. So this motivated us to build CourseUF. So the features that were included in our application was we can check the course availability in the system. We can view the list of all the courses offered that semester. We can filter the courses according to the course number, course code, and instructor's name, and maintain a temporary watch list. The technologies and resources that we used in the application was Android, Java, SQLite, and Dialogflow. The basic system architecture is divided into three parts. First is Android, which is the base of our application. Second is the Dialogflow unit, which is the natural language processing unit for our application. Third is the database, SQLite. So the way this works is user speaks to the Android system, the Android voice API transforms that into the text format. Then that text format is sent off to the Dialogflow. Dialogflow then uses a slot mechanism to fill out certain parameters inside the system and responses the Android in a JSON format, where if the user needs to query some database, the JSON includes the query parameter. And the Android then sends a query to the database SQLite, and the result is thrown back to the Android and displayed to the users.
Hi, I'm Prasad. We'll be talking about the system testing and results. After round-robin evaluation, we calculate the following results. We found the overall success rate to be 80%. We also calculated the average user dialogue duration, which found out to be 113 seconds. We also calculated the percentage of users who encountered ASR errors, which is 80%. We also calculated the percentage of users with incorrect inputs, which is 60%. We term incorrect inputs as those inputs for which there is no data present in the database. In our case, let's say if the user searches for a course which is not offered this semester, we termed it to be an incorrect input. So we found a few reasons why the users face these errors. The first one is the first language. Users who did not have English as their first language faced issues, and the main issue was with the ASR recognition. So the system wrongly interpreted their appearances like the instructor name, because of which the user had to repeat the name again. So we had a post survey with several questions to gauge the system performance and success as well. And we logged some important data during the user interaction, using which we calculated the results in the previous slide. The results like ASR errors, success rate, user incorrect inputs, and watchlist feature usage. So this is an additional feature that we had in our application, and we calculate the number of times users used this feature over just filtering the courses. So these are the post-survey results, where we had 5 questions and we had the average ratings. As you can see, the users were fairly satisfied, and the overall user success rate has been 3.53. And so this is a post-survey result for the question how satisfied the users were with CourseUF. So based on this, we have done a paradise evaluation. So where our independent variables were the log data that we had, and our dependent variable was user satisfaction. So our independent variables were user dialogue duration, the number of system default fallbacks, which are calculated based on the ASR errors. Next is the number of dialogues, which is the total conversations between the user and system, and the incorrect inputs from user, like I defined before. So we've done a linear regression for this, and this is a linear regression equation. We then calculated the p-values for the variables, and we found the p-value to be less than 0.05 for the parameter x4, which is incorrect input from users. So from this, we can say that x4 has a huge impact on y1, which means if we can somehow reduce the incorrect inputs from the user success rate goes up.
Hi, I'm Harshita, and I'm going to talk about the improvements and future work of the system. So after the round-robin evaluation and system testing, we found few limitations in our system, and we tried to improve those, and we were successful in improving. So the first was that few users found it difficult to filter courses based on the course number, because they couldn't include the CIS-CEN part of the course number. So we made an improvement to use wildcard search in our database query, so that users can now search for courses by just saying the number, that is 6930 or 5556. And another thing was our system was providing multiple directive prompts. So we removed the directive prompts and made the system more interactive. Now let's look into the future work. So right now our system includes the coursework of CIS department itself. we could extend the recommendation system to multiple departments so that users can get details of courses from other departments also. And also, we could include an option to create a schedule where the user can add his courses in a weekly calendar view to render the course schedule. And the third thing, we could also add this feature, which is checking two courses timings clash with each other or not. This helps preventing the user from adding overlapping courses to the schedule. Now, I'll be showing the demo of our system.
Hi. Welcome to CourseUF. I can help you learn about a course from CISE department. Are you looking for graduate level or undergraduate level courses?
Looking for graduate level courses?
Okay, do you want me to list all courses or filter courses?
Could you filter courses?
Choose one of these categories. Course name, course number, or instructor's name.
Course number?
Okay, can you tell me the course number?
6930?
Got it. Here is the list of courses with course number 6930. Do you want me to add a course from this list to your watch list? Please answer yes or no.
Yes.
Please tell the course name you want me to add to your watch list.
Audio interfaces?
Course is successfully added to your watch list. Here is your watch list. Do you want me to do anything else? Please answer yes or no.
No.
Thank you for using CourseUF. You can come back anytime to learn about courses. Bye.